On today's menu, an easy recipe you can make when you can't be bothered. A fast, vegan udon stir fry.
Lei Hong Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now I actually have a video call to run to in a little bit, but that doesn't mean if you don't have time that you can't make something super easy and of course super delicious. Before we get started, I want to thank you very much for checking out the ebook version or the print version of my vegan ramen cookbook, and of course you can check that out in the link above or a link in the description box below. I do recognize that there are some postal delays in their service, and I will absolutely do everything in my power to take care of you. So thank you very much for your incredible patience. Now, let's get started.
Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Chop 3 broccolini into bite-sized pieces. Chop some carrot into small pieces, about a quarter cup worth. Chop 2 sticks of green onion into small batons.
Gonna keep a little bit of that green for garnish.
Roughly chop 3 leaves of nappa cabbage.
Now feel free to use some odds and ends that you have in your fridge that you just want to finish. I have some shimeji mushrooms and some bean sprouts.
Udon noodles. Cook the noodles for half the time of package instructions, in this case 4 minutes. 1 tablespoon cane sugar, half tablespoon rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce.
This is a Korean chili paste or gochujang, and I made this in a previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below to show you exactly step by step how to make this. Extremely easy to make, but if you don't have this on hand, that's totally okay. Might change the flavor a little bit, but sub this out for ketchup or anything that's a paste that can thicken the sauce. Not supposed to be perfect or fancy, just supposed to be fast and delicious.
1 generous tablespoon gochujang. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Mix. Save half a cup of cooking water and strain out the rest. Saute pan. Medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Saute the broccolini and the green onion for a few minutes. Carrots. Small bunch shimeji mushrooms. Nappa cabbage. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Noodles. Sauce. Reserved cooking water. Small bunch bean sprouts. Stir for a few minutes and allow the noodles to absorb the sauce. Plate. Green onion. Half tablespoon black sesame seeds. You can now make this easy noodle dish with absolute confidence.
That is literally too easy. My gosh. Restaurant quality in your own home in just minutes. That is so packed with flavor. So incredibly delicious and easy to make. Seriously restaurant quality in the comfort of your own home. That is really amazing. And those noodles, because you half cook them and then you finish them off in the saute pan, and just absorbs all of that incredible flavor from the gochujang, the soy sauce, the sweetness, spicy, salty. It is just delicious. That is really incredible. Promise me that you'll definitely make this one. Definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.